All right, for lesson 11, we'll be doing lowercase y and z. Okay? These letters are both going to drop down through the foot line also, just like the G and the Q. So starting with y, we start on the foot line. From the foot line, we slant up to the belt line. From the foot line up to the belt line, we curve over back to the foot line. Kind of looks like we're starting an N or an M or a V or an X right now. So we go foot, belt, curve over foot, and then come back up to the belt. Now if we crossed right here, we'd have an X, and if we put a little smile right here, we'd have a V. But this time, we're coming up to the belt, back down to the foot, back up to the belt, and then going down through the feet. Okay, so it's foot, belt, through the feet, and we're curving in this direction like the G. Foot, belt, retrace through the feet, cross at the feet. And there's your Y. You want to make sure that your Y is not crossing too low down here. And you also want to make sure that it's not crossing too high up here. That crossover should happen right on the foot line. So as you go down and start to curve over, aim for that foot line. Okay. And as always, do several to teach your hand which way to go. And then you can find the one that looks the best to you and circle it. That's lowercase y. Now the Z is very similar. We're starting on the foot line. Just like the Y, we curve up and touch the belt. Up, over, and down. Now here's where it kind of looks like an N gone wrong. For an N, you would make 2 even camel humps. For the Z, you make 1 regular camel hump and 1 small camel hump. Looks like a terrible N right now. But we do 1 regular camel hump, 1 small camel hump, and through the feet. 1 regular camel hump, 1 small camel hump through the feet, and we curve in the same direction as the G and the Y. Regular camel, small camel, through the feet, cross at the feet, and finish. And that's our Z. Okay, again, regular camel, small camel, through the feet, curve through the feet again. Okay. You want to make sure that you don't have 2 even camels like this. That's not what we're looking for. Okay, so it's 1 regular camel, 1 small camel, through the feet, cross the feet, and finish. Regular camel, small camel, through the feet, cross at the feet, and finish. Regular camel, small camel, through the feet, cross right on the feet, and finish. 1 more. Regular camel, small camel, through the feet, cross on the feet, and finish. Okay. Z's not a very often used letter, but it's kind of a fun one to do. Okay. Do several rows of each one until you get the hang of it. Great job.